ocean of blue. Doesn't even look very blue on the camera, that's really cool. It's like 8:30 in the morning, and I'm going to uni. I look really depressed or bored or tired. I'm tired, slightly bored, I'm not depressed. Check out all the letters that we get left in the look. Look, that's all junk mail. What the hell? I live in like a little student complex thing. And oh my god! A lottery ticket! Oh, wait. Oh, there's 3 tickets. And they didn't win at all. Anything. Clearly. Otherwise this wouldn't be on the floor. Be on the floor. Stay on the floor. I am going to head to uni. God, I don't want to go to uni. But I gotta work. But I don't want to go. Hi! We've been to uni and I did nothing. My wood is bowed and I can't do anything with it, but it's Richard's fault that I can't get hold of new wood.
Yes.
I'm on a furniture course. I'm making furniture and I'm making a desk and a side table, and I need oak. And if you leave oak in the wrong way, or, well, not necessarily, sometimes oak just bows by itself, just by natural cause. So basically, I have to buy new oak again, and by the way, that oak wasn't cheap. So now, yeah, so I've been at uni and done practically naff all because I can't get hold of oak until like maybe tomorrow morning. So now it's just a matter of doing things. But that's why I haven't vlogged all day, because literally nothing's happened, has it?
No, literally nothing.
No, I've literally been sitting around, first of all moping, and then second of all swearing a lot.
And we bought toothpaste.
And we bought toothpaste. So
Absolutely
today
fantastic
has
day.
been an exciting day. Exciting day. Yeah.
Coloured KAs. Ford KAs.
What did you just say?
Coral coloured Ford
Coral
KAs.
colour KK, you.
They're not actually called Ford KAs, they're called Ford cars, but everyone calls them KAs. It's easy.
They are KA. It's like a northerner saying car.
When they manufactured them, basically, and they advertised them, it was advertised as the Ford car, just as KA, spelled KA, and now everyone calls them KAs, so they're KAs.
My girlfriend knows more about cars than I do.
Yeah, I can
Fact.
drive and who can't.
Yes. But it does sound like a northerner saying car. If you say
Car.
ka.
No, you don't say car.
You should. You should be put off the Ford ka. Should we get in my Ford ka? My Ford ka. Wow, speeding much. Tastes like metal.
I'm so annoying.
Yeah. All right. All right.
Should I get the
Oh, that feels so weird.
Oh well.
Oh, it's freezing. Gareth just got sucked off by Henry.
Yeah, he did. Totally. Take the camera! Oh my god, the earthquake!